Alright, so here's the start of part 2. Alright, yeah, no, it would be part 2B. To be or not to be, I don't know. To be a damn fool that can bite off more than he can chew. Yeah, that's probably more like it. And they didn't put much adjustment in the movement of these seats, did they? That's okay. Let's in case you guys don't know, this is the shiz. My father always told me that there's nothing better for vehicle interiors than Lemon Pledge. Works every bit as good as all the high dollar products that are made specifically for this purpose. Wow, there's no dust on that at all. But it's significantly less expensive. The Pledge, I mean, not the dust. I think the dust is free. Or I hope it is anyway. I don't know. Maybe I get charged for the dust. I still think I got a pretty square deal on this. But yeah, this is going to be lots and lots of time of rubbing and cleaning and rubbing. Rubbing and cleaning and rubbing. But all that stuff's kind of boring. I'll bring you back when I'm ready to pop open the trunk. We'll see where we go from there, okay? Yeah, okay. My ADHD is getting the better of me. I gotta see what's in this trunk. Well, that's a good sign. It opened. Let's get that key out of there. What little slice of hell awaits us? Oh, that's a heavy trunk lid. Well, at least it hangs open. Oh my God! Look at all the maple flyers, and she's pretty. There's a mouse house. All this stuff's pretty. I wonder what this is a piece of trim to. It looks, I don't know. I wonder what that is. Tough telling, not knowing. At least the trunk floor don't look too bad. All this stuff though, that's all trash. I don't know what this piece of oh, hey! I got a spiffy extra belt. You never know when one of those might be handy. Oh, the spare tire hold down. Looks like we got most of the original bumper jack. And, well, maybe not the original bumper jack, but we got a bumper jack. Woohoo! Oh, man. That's pretty gooey looking. Yeah. But it seems like that should open more. Let me get back so we can see the whole thing. Should that trunk open more? It seems like it should. Or is that as open as it gets? You know, that's all kinds of overspray and funky looking shit going on here. Ooh, that's a little punky looking. But there's no like obvious huge amounts of rot. That's pretty nasty. Isn't there supposed to be a gasket that goes on right here? That'd probably be, ooh, it's a little fucked up right up in here, huh? Or is it? Nah, that can't be. Ooh, that's all torn. And she was painted after it was torn and nobody did the repair. Woo, yeah! Guess who gets to do the repair now? I can't tell if this trunk's been off, on, moved. Tough telling. Oh, there's a big bunch of shims under there, isn't there? Woo, and none on the other side. Yeah, somebody's played with this car before. That hits that stop there. That does not hit the stop there. That should go all the way up to there. But it doesn't. I almost think maybe I want to take this trunk deck right off, but I'm not going to do that alone. Oh, look. Think that might be the original paint color? Might be. Tough telling. Well, it's white down there. Maybe this is not the original trunk deck. Yeah. It's tough telling. But that mess has all got to come out of there. Oi, oi, Gewalt. This is going to be... I'm afraid I may have bitten off more than I can chew. This is going to be a nightmare. Getting all this reset. I don't know. What do you guys think? Am I extra dumb or just regular stupid? Yeah, I'm sure these pinhead screws, like right there, or right here, that aren't attached to anything, I'm sure these are exactly what's supposed to go in there, to this rock hard rubber. Oh, that looks stock. Yeah. That... Yeah. Something ain't right. That's weird as hell. Well, I guess I'm gonna start rowing that shit out of there, out of the trunk. I don't know if I trust that spring system. Maybe I'll try and figure out what the hell's going on with under the hood here. Why it don't that's at least working all right. Maybe it was just bad ground. Let's see if it turns over now. Key in the switch. No, we still got nothing. Not even an alternator click. At least nobody's screwed up those notches yet. Tried driving them with a punch. Well, at least it looks like the weather's clearing off, so there's something, I guess. Oh. Think the solenoid shit the bed? Nice of them to put it right out here in the... Oh man, that radiator looks not so hot. I may be in over my head. We'll see. Shut up, dog. What do you guys think this is? A tab. It is a giant ass carburetor. The tag says right there C65SFA CSEC. But the accelerator pump here it's a sieve. That spring looks like it ought to be like that, right? That's completely normal. Yeah. Well, I think today is going to be a day of fighting with YouTube instead of doing this. I'm a little freaked out. I tell you the truth, I'm a little scared. I'm scared. I don't know what to do here. But ain't nothing but the doing of the doing, right? Right, I'll keep on pushing on. I'm gonna do a little more research. Think about what the hell I'm getting myself into. I'm thinking maybe this carburetor should just be a swap out and replace. Obviously, I am not the first one to play with this and decide, you know what? Maybe this wasn't the best idea. I don't know. I love the look of it, though. I mean, it is a beautiful machine. But it's a complicated little machine, too. I think I'll upload this, and I will maybe get the vacuum cleaner out and suck out all that shit in the trunk. Try and get that peeled out of there. But let's get this air cleaner back on. This is gonna be kind of tough to do one-handed. Hey, wow! That never happens. It just landed right on, right through. Boom! It wanted to be there. That's not right. But what are you gonna do? I'll find the spit it out. I'll find something cool that'll fit that thread. If not, I'll change that stud out, cut new threads, and I'll put something on there that looks like it ought to be there. Hood close is pretty good. Yeah. I think I'm gonna go fight with YouTube for a little bit, and then I'll try cleaning up that trunk area some. And I don't know, maybe I'll do that on camera, maybe not. If I don't, I'll bring you back to look at the end results. I mean, you've seen the horror that it is, so I don't know. We'll go from there. Alright, so I got this all peeled out. Well, for the majority, I got it peeled out. She's kind of right down here. She's looking pretty sketch. There's a hole right there. Yeah, you can see it. There's damn friggin'. I gotta scrape. I don't know what I'm gonna do in here. Those new trunk liners are god-awful expensive. And she will make a rattling noise like hell if I don't get that solved. But I think I'm gonna go after this with a putty knife and try and scrape up the rest of this matting. Let's see, will that peel? Yeah, we can get that peeled up. We'll do what we can. I'll get all that shit peeled up so that I can get it replaced. Yeah. Yeah, I'm reasonably confident that there should be a gasket that goes all the way around the perimeter. And before I get it in there, I'm going to have to straighten this little flange out Yeah, looks like there's still a little piece of it left right here. Yeah. But I'm gonna have to straighten this flange out. Like right there, that's gonna have to get a little bit of love. All the way across here ain't too bad. And then starting right here, I think this whole rear corner has had some damage to it. Cause man, ain't that some kind of chowdered. And up here, what the hell's going on here and here? You can get that so. Come on, focus. You can do it. You can see it if you look hard enough. Come on. Yeah, well, suffice it to say, this is it's all humped up here. There's a big dent right here. I'm not exactly sure what's going on, but I'm gonna have to get after that. I was really excited to see this. Come on, focus. You can do it. Come on. Both of them. Either one of them. Come on, you can do it. But yeah, somebody's used the wrong size screwdriver and tried to adjust this. And you can see it's pushed way over this way. This way. Because you can kind of see the old line here. You got to excuse my camera work here. I'm kind of like standing on my head. But obviously that used to be over there more. I don't know. I just don't know. Yeah. Whew. That trunk thing. This. I don't know. I don't know me. But we'll keep on pushing forward. We'll figure shit out, I guess, as we go. Hey, sorry, I got distracted because this came. So this will be a fairly helpful thing. It's reproduction. But I was going through it, and it's got all these wonderful chapter markers, but none of the, it's not brought over to the edge, so that's what I've been doing. So that, you know, I can reference them and figure out what the hell's going on. But I think I should probably be done with this for the night and pick up all my crap because, you know, the day ain't done until you picked up all your crap, Bonnie, and put stuff away where you can find it again. You know, like when I'm looking for stuff. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. So anyways, let's put this way so it's at least the correct format. And look at me looking straight into the sun like, I don't know, like some kind of moron or something. I don't know. Hey! Alright, so I guess that's probably going to be up for today. And I'll try and get this all up and running. And I got to clean my phone out and do all kinds of other stuff. And Bonnie's got projects she wants me to do for her too, but, you know, I guess magic 27th hour of the day. Alright, see you all soon. Hey, like, subscribe, click the bell icon, share with your friends, leave a comment. Have a fine night. Bye.